Just ahead of the Lok Sabha polls, the Congress party launched a scathing attack on the BJP government at the centre, terming it as the most corrupt and unjust for rolling out injustice after injustice to the people of India. Addressing a press conference at the Congress Bhawan Shillong, Congress National Spokesperson and National Media Coordinator from North East, Matthew Anthony said that the major injustice meted out by the BJP to the people of the country are economic, social and political apart from unemployment. Meanwhile, the AICC leader also divulged that not willing to go for a seat sharing as part of the understanding under the India Bloc Alliance, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala is in discussion with the AICC to put up candidates in both Shillong and Tura seats.
Performances were
because in the coming elections, Meghalaya has got 2 seats. We want to bring this injustice to the people of Meghalaya. We want them to think, we request them to think with an open mind. Never fall for this jingoism, never fall for these lies, the blatant lies. Think like an ordinary person. What if this happens in your family? What if this happens with your parents and your children? Won't you think and make a logical decision? And Congress as a party has always fought for the people. We might have made mistakes while we are governing because it's natural to have mistakes, but we never ran away from it. We tried to correct our mistakes and we tried to govern this country with people in our mind. We are absolutely confident that it is the people who are going to elect us again, and that's what exactly we want to say.